this notion of Nakamoto Consensus, where block producers are chosen by a lottery mechanism based on the amount of either in Bitcoin, the amount of hash power they have, or in a proof of stake setting, it can be by the amount of stake they have. And so like blockchains like NXT use this exact mechanism of Nakamoto Consensus, where you select a single block producer by a stake-weighted lottery instead of a proof of work-based lottery. And in these cases, proof of work and proof of stake are these kind of Sybil resistance mechanisms for using this lottery. But there's a lot of alternative consensus mechanisms that still can use proof of work or proof of stake, but have a different kind of consensus. And so we're going to be focusing here on this type of committee-based consensus. So instead of electing a single block producer who produces the block, and then choosing a chain based on this sort of longest or heaviest chain rule, like it's done in Nakamoto Consensus in Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can elect a committee of block producers, and this committee can then run a classical consensus algorithm. And most of these classical consensus algorithms have some threshold that as long as 2/3 of the committee is honest, meaning they sort of follow the protocol or they run the vanilla version of the software they're given, this committee will reach consensus on a single block. And this type of committee-based consensus is used in a lot of protocols. It's used in these delegated proof of stake systems like Tron and EOS. It's used in almost every chain in the Cosmos ecosystem, including the Cosmos Hub. It's used in Algorand and also on the Binance Smart Chain.